Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to EduStar's Math Online Class Grade 2. I am Ronnie. I hope you all are doing good. Your answer is yes. Before we get into our video, student, I want to give you some healthy tips for you. Shall I? Are you ready to hear? Yes. Students, wash your hands properly. Drink plenty of water. Eat enough fruits and vegetables. Don't go anywhere. Stay at your home. Whether you will follow this? Your answer is yes. I believe you, student. Children, end of this video, I am going to give you a surprise. Can you guess me? I will explain you later. Last video, we recalled the topics of place value and face value, expanded form and short form, before, after and between numbers, isn't it? In this video, I am going to ask you a questions from the lesson which we have learnt in the past videos. Did you remember? Are you ready to answer? Wow, your answer is yes. You are very much eager to answer, isn't it? Shall we get into our today's video session? Okay, fine. First slide, we will see the questions of place value. Shall we see now? You are ready? Okay, fine. Find the place value of the given numbers. Shall I say first question? Question A. 2 in 234. Shall I say again? 2 in 234. What is the place value of 2? Just think and give your answer, student. What is your answer? Your answer is 2 hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. Isn't it? Okay. Shall I ask you your next question? Okay. Question B. 9 in 798. Shall I say the question again? 9 in 798. What is the place value of 9? Just think and give your answer. Your answer is 90 or 9 tenths. How we will say? We can say 90 or 9 tenths. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, fine. Question number C. 5 in 125. What is the place value of 5? What is the answer, student? Shall I say one more time? 5 in 125. What is the place value of 5 here? The place value of 5 is, what is the answer, student? 5 or 5 ones. What we will say? 5 or 5 ones. Are you clear? Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay, fine. Now we will see expanded form. Okay? Fine. Write in the expanded form. First question for you. Your question is 269. How we will expand this? By adding zeros, isn't it? Okay. Just think and give your answer. What is your answer, student? Your answer is 200 plus 60 plus 9. Shall I say one more time? 200 plus 60 plus 9. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Question number B. Question is 354. How we will expand this, student? What is the answer? Just think. The answer is 300 plus 50 plus 4. What is the answer? 300 plus 50 plus 4. Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next question? Question C. 462. How you will expand this? What is your answer? Just think. Think your answer. Your answer is 400 plus 60 plus 2. What is your answer, student? 400 plus 60 plus 2. Are you clear this? Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay, fine. Now we will see short form. Shall we see now? Okay, fine. Write in the short form. We will go to question. Okay, fine. Question A for you. 600 plus 70 plus 4. How we will write this in short form? By remove zeros, isn't it? Okay. What is your answer, student? Shall I read the question one more time? 600 plus 70 plus 4. What is your answer, student? Your answer is 674. 674, isn't it? Okay, fine. Shall I move on to the next question? Question B for you. 400 plus 10 plus 2. Shall I read the question again? 400 plus 10 plus 2. What is your answer, student? Your answer is 412. What is the answer? 412. 412, isn't it? Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? Question C for you. 200 plus 20 plus 9. Shall I read one more time? 200 plus 20 plus 9. What is your answer, student? Give your answer. Your answer is 229. What is your answer? 229. 229, isn't it? Okay, fine. Are you clear? Shall we move on to the next slide? Okay, fine. Now we will see before numbers. Shall I read first question for you? Okay. Your question is 246. What is the before number of 246? Think and give your answer, student. 246 before. What is the answer? 245. Wow, very good. Shall I move on to the next question? Your question is 180. Before 180 is, what is the answer, student? The answer is 179. What is the answer? 179. Very good. Shall we move on to the next question? Your question is 300. What is your question? 300. Before 300, what is the answer? Your answer is, just think and give your answer, student. Your answer is 299. What is the answer? 299. Very easy, no ma? Okay. Are you clear? Fine. Now we will see after numbers. Shall we see now? Shall I read the first question? Okay. First question for you. Number 500. After 500, what is your answer, student? Just think and give your answer. Your answer is not audible. 501. Wow, very good student. Shall I go to the next question? Okay, next question for you. Number 666. What is the question? 666. After 666, what is your answer? Just think and give your answer. What is the answer? Not audible. Your answer is 667. Wow, well done, my dear. Shall I move on to the next question? Okay, fine. Next question for you. That is your last question. 799. What is your question? 799. After 799, what is your answer? Not audible. Your answer is 800. Wow, superb student. Are you clear this? Okay. Shall we move on to the next slide now? Are you ready? Okay, fine. Now we will see between numbers. Shall I move on to the question now? Okay, first question for you. 880 and 882. What is the between number of 880 and 882? Just think and give your answer. What is the answer, student? Give your answer fast. Your answer is 881. Well done, my dear. Shall I move on to the next question? Next question for you. 909, 911. What is the between number of 909 and 911? Just think. What is the answer, my dear? Your answer is 910. Well done, my dear. Superb. Shall I move on to the next question? Okay, fine. Next question for you. Between 400 and 402. Between 400 and 402. What is the answer? What is the between number of 400 and 402? Just think. Give your exact answers, my dear. Your answer is 401. Wow, well done, my dear students. So you are clear about this, isn't it? Okay, fine. I hope you understood place value, expanded form and short form, before, after and between numbers. Students, I read your mind voice. You all are asking me about a surprise, isn't it? Shall I explain you now? Today I am going to give you homework from your math textbook. This is your math textbook. Math ahead, isn't it? Your exercise is 6, page number 40 from your math textbook. Okay. Topic place value. This is yours today's homework. Whether you will do these sums? Okay, student, get your mother's help. With your mother's help, you can do this exercise. I believe you will do. Shall I? Okay, my dear student. Fine. Students, see the slide now. I did few sums for you in that exercise 6 for an example. Shall I explain you now? Okay. See the slide. Topic place value. Exercise 6. What is the place value of these digits in the number? Shall I explain you first question? Okay. A. 1 in 715. So what is the place value of 1, children? The place value of 1 is 110, or you can write 10. Here you should not add s along with 10, T-E-N, 10. Okay, because 1 is a singular. Okay, my dear? Okay, fine. Shall we explain about next question? Okay, next question for you. B sum 0 in 903. See the hints. Place value of 0 in 903 is 0 tenths, isn't it? So we can say the place value of 0 is 0 tenths, or we can say 0. Okay, my dear. So your answer is, you can write 0 tenths or 0. Both the answers are correct. Whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay. Shall we see the next sum? See sum for you. 3 in 936. What is your answer? The place value of 3 is, you can write 3 tenths or 30. Whatever you answer you want, you can write. Okay, my dear? You understood? Okay, fine. Students, whether you understand about your homework sums? Okay, fine. Next video, I will say the answers of exercise 6, place value sums. Okay, student? Hereafter, you will work out your sums from your textbook. Okay, you will do? Okay, fine. Today you can do place value sums. Okay, my dear? Next video, I will explain you about your next homework sums. Shall we wind up the class now? Okay, fine. Thanks for watching the video, my dear student. Take care. Bye. Stay home. Stay safe.